July has ended on a positive note for Indian markets. The Sensex and Nifty both gained around 2% during the month, extending their recent recovery. Now, investors are asking the next big question. Can Dalal Street carry that momentum into August, or could another volatile month lie ahead? Let's look at what history tells us and what investors should watch this month. So how has August typically performed? Over the last 11 years, both the Sensex and the Nifty have ended August higher 6 times and lower 5 times. On average, the gains have been stronger than the declines. But the recent picture has been more mixed. In 2023 and 2025, both indices ended August lower, showing that the month can be just as volatile as it is rewarding. But history isn't the only thing investors are watching. Market experts believe there are reasons for cautious optimism. Geopolitical tensions have eased, while India's weight in the MSCI Emerging Markets Index is expected to rise as some other markets lose weight. A higher MSCI weight can attract additional passive foreign investment into Indian equities. Even so, August will largely depend on 4 key factors. First, corporate earnings, which will indicate whether profit growth is holding up. Second, the RBI's Monetary Policy Committee meeting, where policy decisions and commentary could influence market sentiment. Third, global cues, including crude oil prices, US bond yields, the US dollar index, inflation expectations, and geopolitical developments. And finally, the monsoon, which remains important for rural demand, food inflation, and overall economic sentiment. Which sectors could stand out? History suggests that FMCG and auto stocks have generally performed relatively well in August. The FMCG index has ended the month higher in 13 of the last 20 years, while the auto index has finished August in the green 12 out of the last 20 years, with even stronger average returns. Analysts say a healthy monsoon and pre-festive inventory stocking could support auto stocks this year, while FMCG companies could benefit from improving rural demand if rainfall remains favorable. Of course, seasonal trends don't always repeat. They simply offer clues about where investors have historically found opportunities. So, will history favor the bulls once again? August has delivered gains more often than losses, but it has also produced sharp corrections. This year, the market's direction is likely to depend far more on earnings, RBI policy, the monsoon, and global developments than on historical patterns alone. Because in the stock market, history can help shape expectations, but it never guarantees outcomes. Follow Business Standard for more stories.